In this section, we are going to discuss about how to setting up the environment. So when we using the Anaconda, this is the one of the environment we can setting up the Python by using the Jupyter or the Spider like that. Then there is another one is called Google Colab. Is a notebook which we can use to write down the small bits of Python code and run, and there are a lot of inbuilt libraries are available. We don't have to import all of them necessarily, but in this course we are focusing mostly on the industrial standard installation and the learning of Python. We are using the Visual Studio for our studies. So when we go to the Google and type install Visual Studio Code, then you can see Visual Studio Code, and you can install for either Windows or the Linux or the Mac. In this course we are going through the Windows and it is downloading, and once it's download you can go through the your download option and you can see that VS Code, then double click, it will open, then follow the instruction. Because I already opened that, that's why you can't see it. Then the next one is, in order to run the pipeline or the setting up the pipeline, we have to install GitHub. Either we can install the GitHub through typing the install GitHub and also download the GitHub for the desktop, then we can carry on. And remember, you have to log in your email, but no credit card information we have to fill in. So if you, as I said before, if you go to the VS Code, so it will download our second one, then you double click, then follow the instruction, then you can setting up the VS Code. And the same way, the install the GitHub for the installation procedure. So click on the Google, install the GitHub for the further. So we will discuss more in coming section.